In this video, we're going to be showing you how to fix it when your Steam account is giving you the message your account doesn't meet the requirements to add friends. If this helps you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video. So if you're getting the error message where it says your Steam account does not meet the requirements to add friends, that means you either have a brand new Steam account and you haven't made any purchases on that account, or you haven't added any sort of funds to your account. So to add friends on Steam, they want to make sure you're not a bot and you want to be a trusted person. So people that buy games can generally add friends. What you can do is purchase a really affordable game for like $1 or $2. Or what you can do is go into your username there at the top, right? And then click on account details, and then you can see your wallet balance. What you can do is you can add funds to your Steam wallet, and you can select any one of these. I think this top one is $5, so you can add funds to your Steam wallet. But what you can also do is, if you don't want to spend a total of $5, you can just go to the store and you can go to the specials, and usually they have really affordable games like this one right here, 46 Rand. So that'll be like $1 or $2. You can buy this, that's a qualifying purchase then, and then you'll be able to add friends on Steam. So if this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.